Okay, so we're going to start a new unit on the art elements. It's going to be a lot quicker than what we do in the classroom, a lot simpler for you, but I want to make sure that you still understand it. The art elements are the building blocks of everything. You hear that in chemistry and you hear it about different things, but the art elements are the essentials. So you're going to start with a piece of paper. You can fold it, but divide it into 4 equal parts. This could be a piece out of your sketchbook. I just kind of did that to show you. Then I need you to divide it in, hit it again with the pencil and divide it into 8 equal parts. And you could do this by folding to make sure that it's even. That's up to you. But don't get like scared when you see the next thing, because I want you to understand everything that's on here. This is what your like sheet that you're going to do is going to look like. So I'm going to cover up some things for right now, and then I'll show you the final. In the very first block, I want you to write your name. I just wrote Kunith. Art elements. Everything originates from the use of the elements. This is like notes, but like hopefully in a fun way, but it's also going to count as about 3 project grades. So please write that on there. I'm going to send you a copy of this so you'll get this. I don't want you to copy mine exactly. I want to make it your own. So the first one we're going to do is line. I'm sure you've heard of Zentangles. If you were in here, we would have done like a Zentangle. It's a relaxing way of using line. It's non-representational. It's not really trying to be anything. It's just having some fun with some line. I could probably put this on your page too, but you don't have to do this. It's just that I want you to have fun and write the word line really large. And it says a mark with length and direction. I don't even know if you can read that anymore, but you'll see it. And then I just had fun with the background. Had you been in here, we would have done the Zentangle. We would have also done word illustration showing how powerful line work can be. You're not doing this, but this was ice, looking like ice. This was agitated, looking like it was. That was pretty good to be simple and grow. Even though they painted, there's a lot of line work in there. We're not doing that. We're just doing this to make sure that you understand the importance of line in art. I'll show you another one on this video. The next 2 should be a little bit of a review for you because of what we did with the 2D and the 3D shapes, and you did a great job on that. But the next one is shape. Normally when you look it up, it talks about that there's geometric and organic shapes. I always include abstract because I don't feel like abstract really falls into organic. So you write the word shape somewhere on this section, and you make the word, you write the letters, you write the number 2 and the letter D. So 2D and then shape. And then make sure you put some geometric shapes up here, and I put, that's a review, but write the word geometric on one of them. And then up here, that's supposed to be a wave, a cloud, and a leaf form. Write the word organic, because that's another type, and then abstract. Maybe I need to bring that up to you so you can see that section. My work is not great, but I'm trying to figure out the best way to, easiest way to make you understand. So there's line, and there's shape. I'm only going to show you the next one, and then we'll do the bottom on another video. Sorry about my videos. So the next one, the last one on the top row, is form. Form is like a review to you also, so I'm kind of excited about that because I feel like we already did that. Form is 3D shape. So I've got shape, which is 2D, but form means it's become 3D. So I don't even have to tell you what to do with this because you already know, but it's showing depth now on the object. So make sure the letter and the number 3 and D are on there. Why do I get that messed up? Right there. And then has depth and the word form. And I made my form look like it was 3D, but you don't have to. And then you already did 3D shape shading. So there's a light source. I'd like to see some color on these. So like you could like take a colored pencil and shade this side. Don't even know if the camera's getting this, but I'd like to see some color on this. And remember that shading and getting value, it helps if you just ease up on your pencil. It doesn't have to be achieved by erasing or smudging. It can also be done by easing up. So I'm going to go as heavy as I can. Hope you're all doing okay. I'm trying to make this easy, so I'm really expecting a good job on this because you're not doing like a individual project, a large individual project for each one like you do if you were in the classroom. I'm easing up on the pencil. It's coming to the light source. We all know there would not be an outline there, but that's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for this form to look like it's a 3D cone. It can be anything. You could do a cube, You could do anything, any 3D form that you wanted to do here, you could do there. Also, on this one, if you don't mind, you can do whatever you want to, but you could add some colors to your shapes. You could use markers, colored pencils, crayons. I just want to see evidence that you drew a couple geometric forms, you drew a couple organic forms, you wrote the word geometric, organic, and then abstract as a form. Any form that you don't think is would qualify as a geometric shape or an organic shape would be like abstract. I'm not sure that that's anything but abstract right there, because it's not organic. Wanted to be geometric, but it took a little turn. And then label those for me, please, if you don't mind. Oh, that was a bad marker. I don't have a lot of supplies left in here. Let's see if I can find a better one. So these are flat. Don't show any, please don't show any kind, you can outline them, but don't show any 3D activity here on these. These can be colored pencils or marker or crayon, but this is just shapes. I'm getting kind of messy now. I was trying to do it with you so that you wouldn't be like seeing it all finished. Notice I'm not doing any kind of value change on this. It's simply a flat circle on a flat surface. Not trying to make it look 3D. It would be nice if I could be able to see the word geometric on a geometric shape. If I could see the word abstract also, because these are like your notes. And organic. Organic could also be natural. Anything from the earth, leaves. My wave is kind of fierce and powerful, and I'm not sure it looks like a wave there. A cloud looks a little cartoony. And I guess that's a maple leaf, not sure. Some of you might know that. So that's partway done. So this is all you have to worry about on this one, is the art elements and your name, line, shape, form, and don't leave them all as in pencil. Let's see some color on these, because it's a lot better than what you, or a lot quicker and a lot less trouble than what you would have had to have done. Thanks. Sorry my voice is horrible. Sorry I'm annoying on a video. But that's it.